Hello, developers. Welcome back to our React tutorial series. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of the useReducer hook. This is an alternative to useState for managing complex state in your React components. So let's break it down. The useReducer hook is based on the reducer concept found in Redux, a popular state management library. However, don't fret, it's not necessary to use Redux when using useReducer. This hook accepts a reducer function, an initial state, and an optional initializer function. It then returns an array containing the current state value and a dispatch function to update the state. So when should we use useReducer? Well, it's ideal for managing complex state objects such as data visualization tools or complex forms. It's also capable of handling asynchronous actions like API calls, and it allows developers to combine multiple reducers for efficient state management. Now, it's important to understand the benefits and limitations of useReducer. On one hand, it provides a more organized and scalable solution for complex state management, which is a huge plus. However, the learning curve is steeper than useState, and it may not be necessary for simple state management needs. Let's see an example of how to use the useReducer hook. In this example, we define an initial state and a reducer function. We then create a counter component that uses useReducer to manage its state. Notice how we use the dispatch function to update the state based on the action type. When you click on the decrement button, it dispatches an action of type decrement, which in turn decreases the count in our state. Similarly, clicking on the increment button dispatches an action of type increment, increasing the count in our state. And there you have it, folks. That's how you can use the use reducer hook in React. Remember, it's an excellent tool for managing complex state, but you should use it judiciously based on your specific use case. That wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth React tutorials. And of course, keep coding.